Friends, you may be tired of listening to the excuses of delay, but these are not excuses, these are reasons. My video journalist had her exam and thereafter she has fallen sick. What can we do? She is just about okay in health, so she has agreed to transmit my message to you. So we are at episode number 57, hashtag success sauce, hashtag maths Waterloo 4.4. What does that mean? Chapter 4, lesson 4. And what are we talking about? We are talking about maths. Is it Waterloo? No, it should not be Waterloo. It should not defeat you. You should not be scared of maths. Maths is a matter of fun. Maths is a matter of intelligence quotient, which we call IQ. I'll give an example. Suppose monkey slips on a oiled bamboo after jumping 4 feet. It slips 1 feet. So therefore, effective it is jumping 3 feet. And how many jumps would it need to reach the top of 28 feet oiled bamboo? The answer is not maths. It is maths plus intelligence. What is that? The intelligence part is that at the last jump, it will not slip. It will have a 4 feet jump, and because it will put his hand on the top of the bamboo. So therefore, it is 8 jumps that it slips, 8 3s are 24, plus last jump 4 feet where it reaches 28 feet successfully. Therefore you understand, maths is not a matter of drudgery. Maths is not a matter to be afraid of. Maths is fun. You apply your intelligence into it. You apply your common sense into it. You will find it is some fun, like games, like your Krish or Motu Patlu or Free Fire or whatever you have. That you enjoy, you start enjoying maths also. You will have to offer your love to maths. Maths will love you 10 times more. So therefore, it is not a calculator alone. It is mixed with IQ. I give my own case. I started loving numbers, and therefore I would remember those days internal telephone numbers of the office, which were 4-digit landline numbers. And there it started with the fact that once my boss wanted to talk to Mr. X, and his number was not on the directory. And I told him the number. He dialed, talked to him, and the matter is over. And then he started feeling that why should you open the directory and find out the number? He can ask me and I will tell him. He started asking me, and thereby my responsibility became tenfold. I had to memorize the telephone directory of the numbers of his choice, of his friends, of his colleagues, who he fights with, and all that. I would remember, and he will ask me, and I will tell him, because in front of the whole hall, I cannot make me a laughing stock. I cannot lose. Therefore, I had to remember. So that is the secret. Nobody would tell you what is the secret. And I never told the secret to my friends. Friends knew that I am terrific with numbers. But it is not. I was practicing. So therefore, now let us say you are drawing a sketch of an elephant. Can you imagine with the figure 5, you can draw an elephant, and how nice it is, how funny it is. Put some tentacles on figure 5 and it becomes an elephant. So therefore, it is your imagination, it is your fascination to maths that will make you involved with maths, and thereby, if you are getting 30 out of 100 today, you will get at least 80 out of 100 tomorrow. And that is what happened with me, because I was dead scared of maths and I started loving maths. That this the story that I am telling you. Now let us come to 0. 0 is a figure of immense possibility. Suppose you put 1 as an integer, put 0 to it, what it becomes? 10. Another 0, 100. Another 0, 1000. Another 0, 10,000. Another 0, 1 lakh. And if you put hundreds of zeros, you will only smile, you will not be able to remember how many zeros, where it reaches. It reaches billion, trillion and other figures. Let us think of Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 is almost touching the surface of moon in another 10-12 days time. So think of the number of zeros after 1, the distance that he has covered, immense distance that it has covered. So 0 is having tremendous possibilities. 0 as decimal, 0 as other factors, apart from zeros that we all dread to appear on our answer paper from the teacher when he or she returns the answer paper to us. So 0 also is a matter of attention, it's a matter of love for all of us. Put 2 zeros one top of another, it becomes 8. So play with the numbers, you will get immense enjoyment. You might not have heard the name of Shakuntala Devi. She was a legend in her time, and she had maths at her fingertips, so much so that in a hall of 60 or 100 people, she would be able to tell multiplication of 14 digits into 14 digits in 30 seconds. Those days there were no mobile, no other things except calculator. And calculator also had a limited ability up to 9 characters only. So it can do multiplication 9 characters into 9 characters. And here she is doing 14 characters into 14 characters. She had done it and written on the board in 30 seconds time, and which was calculated and recalculated on a calculator in 10 minutes time. So maths has been able to be done in 30 seconds time by Shakuntala Devi. That is how she was the legend. And she also told her story in the hall that she started loving maths, just like playing with the numbers, Suppose you love maths, example is simplify multiplication. 198 into 198 appears to be too difficult multiplication. Make it simple. 200 into 198 or 200 into 200 and deduct that extra values that you have put into it. And your friends will be aghast to see your number, which is much faster than what they have arrived so far. So therefore, maths is something, I am telling you, it's very easy. Once you grasp it, it is like a doll in your hands. It is like a toy in your hands. It is like a moving car in your hands. You wind it up and it moves. It doesn't need further intelligence. One intelligence is on the bamboo, slippery bamboo. The monkey will not sleep at the last time. So, do you like it? Will you do it? And you will be successful on maths. Thank you this time.